morning, guys. Welcome back to Vlogmas day number 5. I'm currently at my other house. I'm going to pick up my groceries today that I placed my online order for. We really need groceries, so I'm like super excited to actually go get those. But yeah, I will give you guys a grocery haul whenever I get home. That'll be later tonight, so we have quite a few hours until then. I just thought I would update you guys, and that's what's up. I'll talk to you later. So guys, I'm currently doing a Bible study at home. I'm doing a devotional about fear because I find that this has been really helping me lately with moving on to the next part of my life with driving and just my future. So yeah, I'm drinking my coffee, doing a little Bible study, and then later, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do today, but yeah. This is kind of sad, but I walked upstairs to like instinctively walked upstairs thinking of other things, and then I instinctively just like walked in my room, my old room. So Toby's stuff is moved in. They're gonna paint his room a different color and it's gonna be a completely different vibe in here, but here's my old room. A little bit depressing. I'm taking this bag with me in this box, and then I think that's it. Guys, look at how cute this is. I don't know if they're still on there. They might have moved. You can still kind of see some of them. Look, we have 3 of our chickens just laying on the little cushion, and our 2 ducks. Look how comfy they look. It's so freaking cute. Love that. Guys, I'm literally obsessed with Canva. I wish I was sponsored. One day, that will be my goal in life, to be sponsored by them because I love them. Guys, this is just so freaking cool to me because it's like I'm creating a desktop wallpaper, and I don't have a desktop right now. I did ask for one for Christmas, so we'll see, but girl, look at that. Canva is amazing. I literally have been using Canva for like so long. I use Canva for my thumbnails, so I would really recommend anyone who does YouTube to use Canva for your thumbnails. A lot of them aren't loading because my Wi-Fi here is pretty bad, but I created my channel art and all of my thumbnails. So much cool stuff. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Look at all this stuff. I've never tried out the video. You can see me. The other day, and look at my iced coffee maker. I'm probably gonna get it on Christmas, but I just wanted to show you it because it's in the back. Guys, I'm home, but I'm pretty sure the sunset outside is so freaking pretty. Look how beautiful it is.
So pretty. Let's go.
I have all my groceries, so we're gonna do a little haul. She needs to go outside anyways. Come on, let's go potty.
Wanna go potty? You go potty outside? Go potty!
It's so pretty out here. Wow, I love it. Hi guys, I'm home now, so I'm going to give you guys a quick little grocery haul, and then I'm going to go shower and make dinner. I literally do not have time, so, because Yuvi gets home at 7 and it's like 5, so I have a lot I gotta do. I got some bananas, avocados, tomato. I got a little baking sheet for cooking. I've needed this a few times, so I was like, it's $3, I might as well just get it. I got Yuvi's cranberry juice, because he loves cranberry juice. I got Parmesan cheese and regular Fiesta cheese, an 18-pack of large eggs, and some pork chorizo, because this stuff is fire. I got a pineapple, some of this chocolatey delight cereal, which is fire. I wanted to get like snacks, but I got like 20 packs of variety because I can never choose, so this is gonna be good, I feel like. I got some cream cheese and some sour cream, Christmas air freshener, which is so fire, it smells so good. Fresh, Pet Fresh carpet deodorant, some disinfecting wipes. A 12-pack of these like bread rolls. You can use these for sandwiches. Homemade garlic bread, traditional pasta sauce, hot fries, Minute Maid berry punch, orange juice, stock cold brew, wheat bread, some tortilla, soft tortilla shells. Should have got more of those. Some boneless buffalo chicken bites, shredded hash browns, waffle fries. Girl, I have been looking for waffle fries in Walmart forever. I am so excited about those. Got a new Scrub Daddy. I got Bella some little treats. Now these are cheap treats. They can't be good for her, but you know, we use them for when she's good and she goes potty outside, and we use them for like little things like that. I got some penne noodles, some Alfredo sauce, 2 different brands because I'm gonna see which one I like the most, and some nacho cheese, peppers, minced garlic, these Velveeta blueberry breakfast bars, flour, Slappy Mama, seasoning, crushed pepper and cayenne pepper, panko breadcrumbs. I got some peppermint mocha creamer. It smells really good. Got some milk, salami, and turkey. Little thing of ground beef. I like to drain out the like cherry liquid and put it in the Sprite to make a cherry limeade kind of. Some spinach, big bag of food, and Sprite. I'm gonna put all of this away. That's my little haul. I cleaned the kitchen and then I showered, so now I'm about to make some pasta. I'm gonna get the ingredients out and stuff, so I'm gonna need this. I don't know which one to use. Start boiling the water and then I'm gonna add in the noodles. I don't know if I'm gonna add in the whole box, not sure. But then I'm gonna start doing the sauces soon. I think probably whenever I put these in there is when I'm gonna do the sauce. Look how good it looks. I finished it and I tasted the sauce a little bit off of the thing and it just literally tastes so fire. Look at how good it looks. Oh my gosh, it's so saucy. I'm gonna give y'all a taste test.
It's not like...
It's a little spicy, but the flavor is good. It's very saucy. I'm very pleased with how dinner went, and I'm honestly just feeling very comforted and blessed. and happy. I'm putting some chicken in the microwave for Yuvi because I didn't make enough pasta, so I'm gonna put some, I'm not putting it in the microwave, I'm putting it in the oven. Then I'm gonna put it in his box for lunch tomorrow. We're measuring out like the area of where we would want an entertainment center. I saw a really good deal at Lowe's the other day, so we may be going to get that on Thursday. We're heading upstairs for bed. Peekaboo. I think I actually scared her.